Good evening, everyone. I am very much happy today. My name is Nanette Membrevi from Bukidnon. I would like to say thank you to my family, MMM, for their assistance. Today, I get help amounting 58,600 from my Mavro and referral bonuses. I would like to extend my warmest gratitude to my providers, namely Fasinabaw Caridad, 21,000 pesos, Benetis Alfredo, 8,000 pesos, Eileen, 10,000 pesos, Adlaun Daily, 10,000 pesos, and Estirads, 9,000 pesos, a total of 58,600. This isn't the first time that I get help, but this is the first time I make video. I'm just overjoyed knowing that many people behind your back trying to push you reach your dreams. Thanks God for the wisdom that He gave to our founder Sergio Mabrudi for creating such wonderful system. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you to all participants. Let's continue to spread the good news. Together, we change the world. God bless. Bye-bye.